Hello students, welcome to Bridge Academy Grade 9 Biology Unit 3 tutorials. Lesson 3, Cell Structure and Function, the Cell Wall and Cell Membrane. Introduction. The cell wall and cell membrane are key parts of cells. They protect and support cells in different ways. This lesson explores the structure, function, and differences of the cell wall and cell membrane. Cells are the building blocks of life. The cell membrane is a thin, flexible layer found in all cells, including plants, animals, and bacteria. The cell membrane is also called plasma membrane or simply membrane. It surrounds the cell's contents, acting like a gatekeeper. The membrane is made of lipids and proteins, forming a double layer called the phospholipid bilayer. This structure controls what enters and leaves the cell, like nutrients and waste. It allows water and oxygen to pass but blocks harmful substances. The cell membrane helps plant cells absorb water from soil, supporting growth in fields. The membrane also helps cells communicate by sending signals, ensuring they work together in organisms. The cell wall is different from the membrane. It is a rigid layer found only in plant cells, fungi, and some bacteria, but not in animal cells. In plants, the cell wall is outside the cell membrane. It is made of cellulose, hemicellulose, and pectin, forming a strong network. This network gives plants shape and strength. The cell wall protects cells from physical damage and diseases, such as pests that attack crops. It also regulates water movement, preventing cells from bursting when they absorb too much water. For example, during rainy season, cell walls help plants stay firm. The cell wall and cell membrane work together in plant cells. The membrane controls the flow of materials, while the wall provides a protective shield. In agriculture, this teamwork ensures crops like teff and barley withstand harsh weather and pests. For example, the cell wall's strength helps teff stand tall, while the membrane regulates nutrients for grain production. In contrast, animal cells rely only on the membrane, making them more flexible but less rigid. This difference explains why plants can grow tall without bones, unlike animals. Both structures are vital for cell survival. The cell membrane's selective permeability ensures cells get what they need, like water for photosynthesis in teff plants. The cell wall's durability protects against environmental stress, crucial for farmers during droughts. Scientists study these structures to improve crop resilience, supporting food security. Summary: the cell wall and cell membrane are essential for cell function. The cell membrane, found in all cells, controls what enters and leaves, acting as a gatekeeper. The cell wall, found in plant cells, provides strength and protection, vital for crops. The membrane is flexible and made of lipids, while the wall is rigid and made of cellulose. Together, they help plants grow and survive. Review questions and answers. Question 1. What is the main function of the cell membrane in all cells? Answer. The cell membrane controls what enters and leaves the cell, such as nutrients and waste. It is made of lipids and proteins, forming a phospholipid bilayer. In plants, the cell membrane helps absorb water from the soil to support growth. Question 2. What materials make up the cell wall in plant cells? Answer. The cell wall in plant cells is made of cellulose, hemicellulose, and pectin. These materials create a strong network. This network gives plants strength. Question 3. How does the cell wall differ from the cell membrane in plant cells? Answer. The cell wall is rigid and found only in plant cells, providing strength and protection. The cell membrane is flexible, found in all cells, and controls the flow of materials. In plants, the cell wall keeps the plant upright, while the membrane regulates nutrients. Question 4. Why are the cell wall and cell membrane important for agriculture? Answer. The cell wall and cell membrane help crops like teff survive. The cell wall provides strength to stand tall against wind and pests. The cell membrane regulates water and nutrients, ensuring healthy growth during rainy season. Thank you for watching this video.